Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC giving you a closer look at the aluminum oil filter cap from Tusk. All right. Now, there's no secret that all of us out there want our bikes and our ATVs to look good. We want to get noticed when we're out at the track or when we're just riding with our buddies. And if you're like me, well, you probably drool a little bit when you see those factory bikes. So if you're trying to get that look, well, an awesome component to add is this Tusk aluminum oil filter cap. So these have OEM fitment, so you're just going to take your stock cap off and then replace it with this. Now, these are made from 6061 T6 aluminum, so lightweight, very strong. Anodized finish makes them corrosion resistant. Also, that look, it stays looking good for a very long time. As you can see on the table, some cool colorways that you get to choose from. Now, when you're picking yours up, it is very important. These are machine specific, so enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, your ATV. That's going to make sure you get correct fitment. And also, it's never a bad idea if you're changing your oil filter cap to also put a new O-ring on there as well. Now, to see these along with all the machine specific parts that we carry for your bike, your ATV, on our homepage, just use our parts finder. Enter the make, the model, and the year. And as you scroll down, you're going to see all the machine specific parts that we carry. Makes it very easy to know that you are getting the correct fitment for the parts that you want to pick up. All right, so there it is. That is the aluminum oil filter cap coming from Tusk. Again, if you want to add a cool look to your bike, this is the route you need to take. So click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com to pick yours up. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight video, you want to see more like it, along with our great buyer's guides, our how-to videos, our bike builds, all the videos that we're constantly giving you here at Rocky Mountain, well, just make sure you subscribe. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.